Well, bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen, we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu naniyaza ngihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no.
Shepa kwethu kunjani cameraman mfokaswela Mswati lomnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
Yeah.
Ebo baba.
Yeah, on today's episode we are looking at ama awards bafethu. Abantu sebewinile bayarowadwa manje.
Abeza Orlando Pirates award.
Yeah, ngomsebenzi emihle abayenzile. Yeah, the previous season. Let's start on Umvela. Player of the season. Umfana lo Vetboy. I saw a tweet. His prize has shoot up. I get maybe to 18 million to 25 million because it's a winning players play of the season. Yeah.
Nah, for me, good thing I'm asking with Vetboy is a good player, but unfortunately I was not watching Imvela as much to say Mhlambe I deserve or not. But knowing that he's a good player and looking at the Cape Town City ukuthi be a good player, which means ube ne impact with Cape Town City. So
Yes.
for me, I would say it's well deserved if that's the case, because I know he's a good player either way.
Yeah, true. True.
So
Yeah. Sidlule siye ku goalkeeper of the season ku PSL ngiyazi ukuthi ngcwele. But ke yeah, siye khona siza ukuthi
I don't know, man. Ngizo choose this side, but I don't know. Because for me, ngihlele ngisho lento. Just because unama clean sheets amaningi ubreak record laMona Joseph, does it make him a goalkeeper or a season better compared to Brendan Peterson? I still don't think so, man. Because for me, Kaizer Chiefs, I think Go Peterson was well deserved for where it's at. Shine is number clean sheet. We can't take away that's a fact. But he's not a better goalkeeper, or he didn't have a better season than Peterson. So for that award, man, I feel like Peterson deserved it more.
Okay. Silele Bambila. I don't want to argue with you, even though you have different opinion. See a good defender of the season.
Yeah. This one, more bonus one. I think this award is one it deserves a ban. And then even no matter what these are the nominees, I still said he's taking it. OCM for me. I think he had a good season. Before he still performed well. And then still is performing well. So I think that one is well deserved. Goes without saying. Yeah.
Midfielder of the season, Ozin Apolis.
Yeah. I think it's well deserved. He's always been a key player for Orlando Pirates the whole season. So I think that's well deserved.
Is it well deserved? Because I think icategory kuyo esikhulumisayo.
Yeah.
I for one I support Orlando Pirates, but icategory kuyo I don't think ukuthi fanele ngabe kuyona. I think the midfielder of the season. I don't even think ukuthi sim regarded as a midfielder.
Yes.
It's more like a forward than a midfielder.
But yeah, but you're gonna now a striker, but mind you, forward does that. But he get play. I'm going to born and they don't just look at social player. Shot my boy and my will if I had a side team. So hence midfield. Because no really going to that. But not was
I feel like he had happy way on. That's my view. I need to say everything was taken by Orel. We will get there. But just to come console, let him have this award. Because Kona obomkwena lapha.
No, but yes.
Abombata that you can count.
Yeah.
Honestly, normally he wasn't nominated, but Umbata is also a contender for that.
So basically, we should have argued showing a man nominees.
Exactly.
But that was not it,
Yeah.
But I'm not belong like it's over there. But they only go to some nigga there.
Yeah. Versus gonna go with the big boys. Player of the season.
Players player. I think it voted abadlali.
Oh, before we get there, I think first as well as calling my caps. The MTN 8.
MTN 8. I don't know, man. But yeah. Because we have now go see Ubele are crucial for you to win it. Sometimes it's the last man standing based on that, So I'd say we can give it to him because he showed up something the most MTN 8. So
yeah. Anyways, it's 4 games, but like,
Yeah.
we started 10-meter walk. I'm encouraging you. And then Umbogazi, we Black Label.
It goes without saying. That is, it was obvious. Nale is well deserved for me.
Yeah.
So I could miss Nale. Nale is well deserved.
Yeah. True.
Nedbank.
Nedbank.
Nedbank phela Darren Kate. So
Yeah.
because considering ukuthi iThekwini City winning and he's been a vocal player kubona, so I feel like it's well deserved.
More like a senior.
Yeah.
A father to these young
boys. Yes. So at his age, performing that good, it's well deserved. You know?
It was his last season.
Exactly.
Anyway. So, final season. So well done to Darren Keat, the legend. Yeah, moving to the big boys now, who are young though. Young player of the season.
Another one that goes without saying, you know.
But who would you have also included? Because this thing of
how old is Mahlangu?
I think he's also fitting on
because he won
21, 22 now.
Because he won that progressing player in Nedbank.
Yeah, most progressing
player of Nedbank. So if bigger category, youngest.
Yeah,
but competing with
even the player of the tournament in Nedbank.
Yes. So yeah, but the youngest player will give it to Rile. Who else did perform in that category?
Yeah, I think there are less. Yes. But I do believe we still have to encourage these young ones to do better. I would like that award to win Umdlali, who's not a player of the season, one. Because it means that he's already outshined everyone. Mind you, says Nisha ithuba lokuthi sibone the other young ones, the hands getting. I would like Kota Kapela is a deserving one and he qualifies.
Yeah.
So
we can just convert it to liberate TTC. Because with TTC, that's where you have these young boys, you know.
Yeah, but
we PSL, not many young boys, youngsters we have there.
There are.
That are playing week in, week out.
Yeah, they are. Two is a youngster.
Is he performing? Let the boy show.
I'm just saying,
is he performing? We need to encourage these young boys to perform. You know?
Yeah, they need to perform.
Yes.
Honestly, they need to perform. Yeah. Players player of the season.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think maybe just now ban because what can you say about Orele Mufokeng as a hamba Belgium with his accolades last and
No, I'll be honest, I think Umfana Ubena season the Shobin. He had a very good season. So players among So if another player can see which this boy has been influential in the season, let's vote for him, you know. Yeah. So it tells you what so I'll say right deserve. And then the footballer of the year. What can you say, man?
Yeah, it's been cool.
The boy won everything. That's been cool. That he wanted to win.
Yeah.
So you know.
Even though Mina would have liked to share one of the awards with Police because I believe he's been one hell of an important player with Pirates. It gave us more than what we had. So yeah.
Coach.
Oh, Coach, I don't even need to say. Some just guys are just to be interesting. Who would you have thought would he is most promising coach? For creative next time, even PSL look at this, you know, and say because we want to see these coaches, but South Africa, I would like to encourage them. You are doing well.
I think who was the coach of Richards Bay?
It was co-coaches Papi and the other guy. They go. he was still at the helm right now.
So Upapi, I feel like he can become a very good coach, you know. But it's unfortunate because man, you're assistant coach, you know. So but for me, I feel like if Anas Bissell, I'll be head coach somewhere.
Yeah,
he can do a very good job, you know. And then Uban, you know, it's a bit now but he was doing something nice in Golden Arrows.
Yeah,
you know, given another season or two, I think Golden Arrows
would have been,
you know,
somewhere. Yeah.
So yeah, those type of coaches. But the rest, good stuff.
You can't say that. There's a coach where Polokwane is no longer with Polokwane.
Yeah.
But
I think since especially since Polokwane have for the fact that they are never fighting relegation.
Yes.
They always
top
you know.
8.
So I think it's also
with
a very
limited
good
resources again, because sihleli sizoqhamuka sesiphika lowo mdlali njengoba nje sasithatha u-Apolis, Matulid is also you know, so
he's also a very good coach as well. Very good coach.
True.
So but Wadi well deserved winning triple first season.
It's
his first season, so it's well deserved coach of the year.
Yeah, true. Bafethu, we'll see you on another one.